Question 24 of the WAEC 2019 Mathematics Past Question. That's your WAEC 2019 Maths Past Question. It says you have this diagram in triangle X, Y, Z. YZ is what? 32 centimeter. Angle X, YXZ, that's YXZ is what? 52 degrees, and angle XZY is what? 90 degrees. Find correct the nearest centimeter XZ. So we're looking for the side XZ. Alright, and you just when you're looking for a side, you have a right angle triangle. Definitely it's just your Pythagoras. Is that not it? We're going to use Pythagoras to try to solve this, and considering this particular angle, and considering this side, and considering this side too, the known side and the unknown side and the angle. Okay, so when you have a right angle triangle, definitely you remember your trigonometry, okay, which is what? So ka twa. All right, so we'll know which whether it's so we'll know if we're going to use sine, cosine, or tan. All right, so from here we know one side and we're looking for the unknown side, and we know one angle. Okay, so considering this angle here, from this angle here, this will be our opposite. Okay, this will be our adjacent, and this will be what? Our hypotenuse. Is that not it? That's hypotenuse P. All right, so what do we do now? Considering our opposite and adjacent, which is our tan, so we have a tan 52 degrees equal to our opposite, which is what? 32, divided by our unknown side, which is what? X. So from here we can find X. Okay, taking X here, bringing tan 52 down. Okay, that's cross multiplying, making X a subject of formula. All right, and if you don't understand subject of formula, there's a video on the DTW tutorials channel that have explained change of subject of formula fully, so you can watch that video. I think it's in a playlist called Maths Introduction. You see a lot of introduction to maths topics there. All right, okay. So let's move forward. So from here we have X is equal to what? 32 divided by what? Tan 52. So what would this give us? This 32 times 52 is what? 1.2799. Punching your calculator, and when you divide, we're going to have 25.0019. And the question says find correct to the nearest centimeter. Nearest centimeter will just definitely be, that's our approximation sign. Sorry, let me write this way, approximation sign. So the nearest centimeter will definitely be what? 25 centimeters. So this is our answer, and our right option here is option B.